Absolutely no comparison. That's ANC. Comfort and safety, best quality. Nobody does it like ANC. ANC, heating and air conditioning. ANC, absolutely no comparison. Absolutely no comparison. That's ANC. We'll keep you cool when it's hot and warm when it's not. We'll give you the best, all that we've got. ANC, heating and air conditioning. ANC, absolutely no comparison.
Welcome to another edition of the ANC Comfort Zone. I'm Lloyd Connect.
And I'm Ryan Connect.
In this episode, we wanted to show you how to stay warm this winter without breaking the bank. So we're going to talk to you about heat pumps. Why are they so efficient? The low operating costs, the amazing incentives and rebates. We also wanted to talk to you about high efficient traditional heating systems, furnaces, boilers, and their low operating costs. What else we got, Ryan?
We just redid this whole showroom and it's full of all new
After
fireplaces.
all these years, you guys are still trying to do shows without me. Hey, I invented these shows. Hey folks, I got two sons. One's a brainiac, one's a maniac. But we get along great. We take care of the customers. They've been doing great for us for the past few years. And what else are you going to talk about?
So we're going to talk about all the new fireplaces in the showroom. The new Valor's new electric fireplaces, the electric insert, the zero clearance fireplaces, the new walls, the new heat shift systems, the 3-sided, the 2-sided, the 1-sided fireplaces.
How about
and
the
not
Traeger?
just that, my favorite thing, the Traeger grills.
So this is going to be an amazing show. We hope you enjoy it.
We've all heard it. We must find new ways to reduce our impact on the environment. We also want to make better choices when heating and cooling our homes. But making the right choice often balances between comfort, affordability, and what's good for the planet. Until now. Introducing the modern Daikin heat pump, an air conditioner that cools your home in the summer and heats in the winter, all in a single system. The term heat pump can be confusing, but the way it works is very simple. Compared to traditional systems, which creates heat by burning fossil fuel, heat pumps move energy that's already in the surrounding air from one location to another, using a small amount of electric power. In the winter, a heat pump absorbs heat from the outside air. This is possible because there is abundant heat energy in the air, even in below freezing temperatures. Then, it transfers it inside to heat your home either through a ductless indoor unit or through the existing ductwork. As outdoor temperatures rise, you can cool your home using the same heat pump. It simply switches directions and operates like a traditional air conditioner by taking heat and humidity from inside your home and moving it outdoors. The benefits of heat pumps go beyond heating and cooling. Compared to traditional electric heaters and gas furnaces that only produce up to 1 kilowatt of heat energy per kilowatt consumed, heat pumps can generate 4 kilowatts of heat with a single kilowatt of energy consumed because they are moving heat instead of creating it. This means a heat pump can help you save on your energy bill compared to other heating systems. If you are switching from a fossil fuel-based heating source like a gas furnace, you'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. Welcome to the modern world of heating and cooling with a Daikin heat pump, a single, smart system which combines performance, efficiency, and year-round comfort, all while reducing your carbon footprint for a better tomorrow.
Well, here we are at a customer's house that went all electric. That's right, all electric. And with a ductless heat pump system behind me, they can do that efficiently. I have customers that spend less than $100 a month to heat their house, but people are still out there spending $400, $500, $600, $700 a month. You don't have to. NICEAG is offering thousands of dollars in rebates. The federal government's offering a 30% tax credit. It's for heating, for cooling, for dehumidifying, and for air cleaning. And extremely versatile. This unit can be on the wall, on the floor, in a ceiling, in a closet, in an attic, in a basement. It doesn't matter. They can go anywhere. And if you have ductwork in your house, you can have it too. All you do is take out the air conditioner from outside, put one of these in, it goes into your existing ductwork, and you have a full heat pump, heating to temperatures as low as -14 degrees. and they're whisper quiet. Do you hear it running right now? No, you don't. That's how quiet these things are. Full 12-year part and labor warranty is covered as well, so for 12 years you don't pay a dime for repairs. And they simply look good. Listen, the biggest misconception our industry has is heat pumps don't work in the Northeast climate. Yeah, they do. These units heat efficiently down to negative 14 degrees outside, so that means if it's negative 10, these units are still going to be heating your house, so it's a perfect way to increase the efficiency of your house, get rebate money back for it, and a tax credit. So come see us at 122 Jennings Street and see these units in action, or give us a call at 748-6435. Thank you.
So we're here today to talk about the ultra-high efficient inverter-driven Bosch heat pump. But first, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what is a heat pump and how does it actually work. In the air conditioning mode, a regular air conditioning unit or a heat pump unit actually pumps the refrigerant from the outdoor unit into an indoor coil that's located above an air handling unit or a furnace, absorbs the heat from the house into the refrigerant, and then it's actually pumped back out to the condensing unit, cycled through this whole coil system in the actual unit itself. This fan actually operates, draws air in through the coil, and actually dissipates the heat out the top of the actual unit so it can be recycled and sent back into the home. If you've ever been out in the yard and your air conditioning unit's running and you feel heat coming out of this, it's actually the heat that's been transferred from your home. So how a heat pump works, it actually has a reversing valve that actually turns and runs in reverse and now draws the heat out of the actual outside air and brings the heat into the actual home. So the big difference about the old traditional air source heat pumps were they were a single speed unit, they just kicked on, they drew air in across the coil, and they weren't very energy efficient because they would be cut off at like 35 degrees and were no longer effective. Today, with the new variable speed Bosch heat pump system, it has inverter technology, and basically what that means, it works in a wide range, all the way from like 25% of the unit's capacity all the way up over 100%. And what's important about that is that the fan motor on the actual unit itself has the unit going either greater or lower based on what the actual load is. So like on a 30-degree day, we may be drawing air across the actual coil, retaining that heat, and sending it inside with a variable capacity. So these units are operating sometimes all the way down to 0 degrees, which is an enormous feature for us today. Another added benefit to the ultra-high efficient Bosch heat pump system is due to its ultra efficiency to electrically heat your home, it's also available for the high efficient energy rebates here in New York State, as well as Pennsylvania, and federal tax credits. Some of the other unique features regarding a heat pump installation, which is extremely important, is you can see the pad and the actual base underneath the unit. It's important to elevate the unit to have it up off the ground so it gets proper airflow to get that heat inside and working for you. Some of the other things that ANC does, which is kind of an exclusive to ANC, are the leak type refrigerant smart lock fittings that we actually use to assure leak-proof fittings and quality installation in the field for our customers. We also use a specific termination for the refrigerant piping that's completely airtight and air sealed, which provides a more professional installation. Our disconnect box that we use as an on-off service disconnect for the equipment for both of our technicians actually has a GFI receptacle built into it per code now that's a standard for ANC's installation. One of the other things that ANC does is this particular unit comes with a 10-year part warranty right out of the box, brand new, which is awesome. But what we do, ANC has staff that actually registers the equipment and assures the customer their warranty. You don't see that in a lot of different applications, and unfortunately people get the bad news after they actually find out that the warranty has not been registered. So that's something that ANC actually takes care of in-house and does for our customers. Now that we know more about what's going on out here, let's take a look inside and see what it looks like in there. So now that we know more about what the air source heat pump's doing on the exterior part of our home, let's take a look at what it looks like inside here. This particular application is a dual fuel type system. It provides emergency backup on the gas heating side of it, which is done a fractional time of the year. And the majority of the time of the year, the high efficient air source heat pump is heating our home and saving us money. This can also be used in a propane gas furnace application, 100% electric, or with fuel oil. We have customers out there right now on the fuel oil side of it and propane side of it saving hundreds of dollars a month in operating costs, which is extremely respectable compared to everything else that's currently out there right now. We have a customer that has a solar array that's providing 100% electric heat for their home with this type system, and their bill is like $25 a month. It's almost net zero, which is extremely impressive. Also on the installation, you can see kind of what ANC does here. We're using the smart lock fittings. They're a leak-proof refrigerant fitting, which is an exclusive for ANC, and also the high-efficient air filter system with April Air that's a standard on all of our systems. So if you want to start saving money today and know more about what ANC can do for you, give us a call.
Well, here we are at the ANC Heating's University. Here at this company, skilled technicians is one of the most important things that we can offer to you. As the industry keeps changing and getting a lot more advanced, we're starting to see artificial intelligence built into these units. So we need to have technicians that are skilled to handle that situation. So again, you're not having a guy on site for 4 hours on the phone with tech support trying to figure the problem at 10 o'clock at night. Our guys know how to solve them. And behind me, these are some of the diagnostic centers that we use to train them. So whether you have a furnace, a zone system, a boiler system, no matter what it is, we've designed an application that we can train these guys 9 ways from Sunday. We can mess this up any way we want, and the guys have to go through, figure out what's wrong. Not only that, we have an in-house professor. Every Wednesday, 8 to 12, this company shuts down for training, and I got a professor training all these technicians. And it has been a world of a difference doing that. On top of that, we use much better products than most companies in the town. We want our system to last 20, 30 years when it goes into your house. So to give you an example what sits on the table, this is just some of the things that we do differently. And I'll give you an idea. A lot of the companies out there like to use these little thick plastic 1-inch pads. Yeah, okay, I guess they're good, but you gotta remember, these units are going outside on the grass, and when that happens, you're dealing with water issues, it can sink, it can come unlevel. Not at ANC. We're actually digging into the ground a little bit, putting a gravel base down, and we're setting down this hurricane pad that we custom order out of Florida. 4-inch thick pad, concrete on the exterior, foam on the interior, so great for vibration. It ain't moving, your unit's not becoming unlevel. I don't care if it's 30 years from now. And if you get a unit from ANC and it does become unlevel, I don't care if it's 30 years from now, we'll come out for free and re-level that unit. That's the guarantee we offer. Moving down the line, these are what we call smart lock systems. So on normal air conditioning units, you've got a solder, you've got a braze, you've got flare fittings. Not to get too complicated, but it's kind of an archaic way of doing things, and it's notorious for leaking. As we're coming into the heat pump technology, these units are going from heating to cooling. That's expansion and contraction. That can back the nut off and start to cause leaks on your system, causing you hundreds of thousands of dollars to fix. Not here. Here at ANC, we use this product called Smart Lock. So what we're able to do is slide the copper pipe directly into this, it's gasketed, and we tighten that fitting right down. We've been doing these for years, and I will tell you right now that we have less than 1% as leaks, because we track our repairs and less than 1% of our jobs has a leak. That's what you're getting from ANC. Not only that, whenever we're installing a system and we have to have piping on the outside of your house, I'm not going to be the guy that puts downspout over the piping and it kind of looks archaic. This is a product called Slim Duct. What this is designed to do is it's a high-grade polymer material that looks really good, comes in different colors to make the outside of your house stay beautiful. Because again, I don't want piping all over the outside of your house, but when I have to, we're putting something like this in, and whether it's white, it's brown, it's ivory, all these different colors to try to match the outside of your home. Keep going down the list. We also use, these are what we call tear-proof refrigerant lines. So where a lot of companies use these foam lines and you try to pull them, it scratches, over time they start to rot and fall apart. Not here. These are tear-proof refrigerant lines. You're not ripping this no matter how hard you pull it. And it's got a UV rating on it. So again, in the direct sunlight, it's not fading, it's not coming apart, it's not rotting away. So that's what makes ANC Heating different. We want the best product in your house, I want the best technicians in your home, and I will do everything possible to make sure that happens. So next time you call ANC Heating, you're gonna know that we have some of the best technicians coming out to your house to take care of you. And that's whether it's in the middle of the night, on a holiday, during the day, rain, sleet, snow, shine, doesn't matter. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we're here to take care of you. So give us a call, 748-6435. Thank you.
Grilling isn't just about the food. It's about creating the perfect memory. Some grills help you get close to it, but this one helps you reach it. The all-new Timberline isn't just a means to a great meal. It's a way to ignite the perfect day. Because cooking on the Timberline isn't just a routine. It's a ritual that helps you master your craft and gives you the freedom to explore. This grill doesn't just fire up flavor, it sparks moments. Moments when recipes turn into stories, and when meals turn into memories. The all-new Timberline from Traeger. It's outdoor cooking, perfected.
Welcome to our nationally acclaimed showroom. The first fireplace we wanted to show you is Valor's brand new LT1 gas fireplace, which is designed as a widescreen fireplace. So if you have a widescreen television, it's gonna marry perfect with this fireplace. This unit also has a heat shift system. So all the heat that's coming off of this is actually coming out at the top. So again, it's approved to have a television go right up above it. You can raise and lower the height of the flame, speed of the blower motor. You can temperature control this, and it can be built into an existing fireplace application. We can build a brand new wall, everything done right here at ANC. Now, next on our fireplace list, this is the Mendota Full View 46. And again, same thing, we're designed as a widescreen look, but different manufacturer, so a lot more choices for frame selection as far as colors and styles and accent bars, rivets. You can design this any way you want. We've actually paired this with a tumbled marble wall with the Magra Hearth mantle system. This is a concrete barn beam, but painted and chiseled to look like a real barn beam. So no matter what the look you're trying to achieve, we can make it happen. Next down the list are some gas inserts. So if you have a pre-existing masonry firebox and you're looking to put a gas insert in, these work perfect in that application. Or let's say that you have a 30-year-old gas insert that has that old gold trim on it and you want to upgrade it. That's what these are for. These are the Valor inserts. This is a G3 designed with kind of like a traditional look. So if you wanted those top and bottom louvers, if you want that big cast iron surround, that fireplace is going to achieve it. Let's say you want to go something a little bit more modern looking and you want to have a full view look. So again, all glass, nice simple trim work. These can do it. And these units, again, Valor is an amazing company in business for 100 years. Raise and lower the height of the flame, speed of the fan. You can set a temperature on this. They're extremely efficient, and in a power outage, these units are going to put out a tremendous amount of heat, and they're right here in our showroom. So this is the Valor H5. It's a newer fireplace that we brought in. We did that with the tile and the Magra Hearth mantle. Again, that concrete barn beam to look like a real barn beam. But the Valor H5 is perfect for replacement. So if you have an existing gas fireplace in your house, the old heatolators, the old El Fuegos, the gold trim, the top and bottom louvers, this fireplace is perfect for replacement. You get that big, beautiful viewing area, all the features, runs without power, modulation, temperature control, everything built into this. So this is a perfect unit for retrofits. All right, this is the Mendota Full View 36. Again, nice, big, wide open viewing area, widescreen approach over that widescreen television right above it. And we did it with the stone in the back. So this is a beautiful built-in fireplace that we can put into your house. And again, by Mendota, one of the top brands in the industry. Keep going. This is a Mendota Full View 44 insert. So we talked about inserts, but this is if you have a fireplace a little bit larger. These are the big open viewing fireplaces. These things are amazing and they put out a lot of heat. I can promise you I'm sweating right now. So now we're gonna take a look at the Valor G4. Just like we showed you the other inserts, this is the G4 insert. So again, larger fireplace, this is gonna fit perfectly. This has the brand new 2X burner for the rolling flames. We can do this with either a simplistic trim, like a 1-inch trim around it, or with the accent bars. Like, we can really dress these fireplaces. And Valor's amazing because they're designed as a radiant heat company. So these units put out a ton of heat in the event of a power outage. They're great for supplemental heating purposes. They're beautiful for ambiance, so there's no reason you shouldn't look to upgrade that fireplace with one of these beautiful Valor or Mendota gas fireplaces. So here we are in the gas stove section of our showroom. So these three are the Vermont casting stoves. And again, they're up on pedestals for a reason. They're 100% American made, casting done right here in the state of Vermont, and they've got a beautiful traditional look. This company actually buys up used brake rotors and calipers, melts them down, and repurposes them into these beautiful fireplaces. So whether you're looking for something in the Bordeaux red, classic black, biscuit, they have a majolica brown. I have every color to try to satisfy the look that you're trying to achieve in your home. And again, raise and lower the height of the flame, control the speed of the blower motor, set temperature controls on it. These fireplaces are amazing looking, amazingly efficient, and they just look really good. Now we're gonna show you a little bit more modern of gas stoves. This is the brand new Enviro S50 with that curved glass display. This unit is gorgeous. And you can have it with the white unit with the white pedestal, have a white with a black pedestal. I can do a wood holding pedestal and a black top. So this thing comes also in green and red. This is an amazing fireplace, beautiful flame, and all the same features, thermostatically controlled, modulation, and it just looks beautiful. This is something completely different than you're gonna see in anybody else's house. So I encourage you, come on down and take a look at this in person. So as you can see here at ANC, we have every choice to fit the decor you're trying to fill in your house. Traditional, modern, and speaking of modern, again, that's the Valor Madrona. Valor's been in business for 100 years. This specific gas stove has the white sides, the clear view front, but you can get it in all black. You can get it in cast iron. I can do it with an arch cast. I can do it with a square cast. There's so many looks that this thing can achieve. Next up is the Enviro Berkeley. This is one of our best sellers. This has the 3-sided viewing area, so glass, glass, glass. So if you're in a corner mount, this thing will show from wherever you're looking, and with that beautiful ceramic bed burner, that's giving you that all-encompassing, flowing flame that you're seeing there. This fireplace is beautiful and one of my favorites. And the last one we got is the Enviro Wesley. This is just the baby brother of this. So if you have a small addition, a sunroom, small living space, this will fit perfectly. You don't need all that heat? Great, I got it in a smaller package. This is the Enviro Cube. This is a very different fireplace looking gas stove. So this unit is designed to be set on a table, left hand or right hand, so something completely different than you've seen at anybody else's house or business. These work amazing in businesses. So again, the unit can be set left or right side of the table, leaves you plenty of room for decorations, including putting your awesome awards right there. But this fireplace has all the same features, thermostatic controls, modulation on flames, runs in a power outage. But it's just a different looking fireplace, and that's what we're trying to show here at ANC. We have everything from traditional to modern to really modern. So here we are at the centerpiece of our showroom. This is an Eichler log set paired with a beautiful waterfall. And yes, if you want a waterfall in your house, we'll make it happen. Let's say you didn't want an insert with all the bells and whistles. You just wanted a big, beautiful flame to take the chill out and have that ambiance. This is it. And again, these are custom designed to fit your fireplace. I can get them 12 feet wide down to 16 inches wide, so we'll find one that perfectly fits your fireplace. And this goes great with a set of custom fireplace doors, because yes, we do custom fireplace doors. So come on down to ANC Heating at 122 Jennings Street and take a look at this. And in the meantime, I'm gonna let my younger brother talk to you about our new electric fireplaces.
All right, here we are at the brand new electric fireplaces by Valor Fireplace, Miles Industries. The cool thing about this, when you buy it, you can make it, so it comes with two plates. We can either put black plates here and black plates over there and just make it one-sided fireplace. We can take one plate off over there and now it can be two-sided, or you could just go all out, take all the plates off, and now you have a 3-sided fireplace. And then we can also change all the colors on the bottom here. So purples and blues and any type of color in the rainbow, you have it. I mean, I think there's 16 different colors you can do on this. And I cannot tell you, I did this whole design on this fireplace. My brother likes to take some credit, but zero, he did nothing. We finished right up with drywall. Everyone was saying, you know, let's do tile, let's do stone. I didn't want to do that. This is the focal point, not the wall, not up or down. This is the focal point. So that is the brand new, and please stop down and check this out. Even if you're not in the mood to buy one right now, come play with it, check out the remote, see all the colors it can do. And there's one more thing I want to show you, which is going to be the Valor G3 electric. So just like the insert I showed you, now they did an insert, but it's electric. So let's go check that out. All right, here we are at the Valor G3E, the electric gas insert. And you're wondering why is my phone on in my hand? Well, how many times does your kid or your husband lose the remote to the TV, to the fireplace, to anything? A lot. So say we lose this, right? Oh, we lost it. We still have a backup. So this is ran by Wi-Fi now. Not just that, again, just like the other one, you want yellow flames, you can have them, but you want white flames? Not only that, what's really cool is now it has a speaker system. And you're like, why does it have a speaker system? It makes all the crackling noises and all the stuff that you get from a wood fireplace, you get it out of this. So you're sitting there on the couch or you're in bed, you're relaxing, you get to listen to all that to go to bed. I love that, so I'm gonna be number one on that list. You have your fuel bed, you can change that in all different colors, the blues, the teals, again, 14, 16 different colors, or just put it on one setting and it'll always go through the different colors. On top of that, you have all the glass lining inside, so it just reflects everything so good. It has orange lighting that goes right into the logs, and again, it's all controlled from your phone. And just like the other one, it can either put out 5,000 BTUs or hardwire it, and now you have 10,000 BTUs. And the beauty of this, on the big electric fireplace and on this gas insert electric fireplace, it's parts. What happens when things go wrong? You buy a fireplace and electric from Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's. What happens in 5 years when that thing breaks? You're not getting a part, I can guarantee you that. With Valor Industries, you will get a part for all their stuff, and I can almost guarantee up to 15 years you'll get parts. So stop on down to ANC Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you for walking through the showroom with me. And if you ever have questions or just want to hang out and chat, come on down to 122 Jennings Street, Endicott, New York, right around the corner from the famous cider mill. Thank you, everyone.
Well, folks, thanks for joining us on another edition of the ANC Home Comfort Zone. I certainly hope you learned a lot from these two guys. And Ryan?
And don't forget, we are the only company that comes into your house and it actually saves you money. Saves you money. Not the granite guy, not the cabinet guy, and not the roofing guy. We save you money.
And we're doing it with certified installation crews. Our guys are highly trained, so when you got somebody calling in the middle of the night, we're there for you. And we offer same-day service. You don't have heat today? We're coming today to fix it. That's why you choose someone like ANC.
That's important. Same-day service, guaranteed. No one else offers you that at all. And again, thanks for joining us for this ANC Comfort Zone. Good night.
Welcome into... Here you go. Get off your phone. You're distracting me. No, I'm not doing that. Not kissing Dad. No.
What?
wants us to get up, say we love you, and kiss you on the cheek.
No. I still sign the check.
You're gonna sign a check with a lipstick on your cheek.
Yeah. Not just that, I get...
Oh. Did you catch that?
Did you just fall?
Nice trick.
Dude, I felt...
Watch out for the chair.
The carpet. Oh no, I've been a few times.
That's gonna be the best blooper. Oops.
The old man almost fell down walking in.
I just tripped. The sneakers that Ryan got me.
I just felt the chair. I thought he fell in. And you came in way too early.
I was ready to keep going.
Trigger.
He goes, oh, did you get that?
Are you ready?
Come on, you ready?
I can't see. I was waiting for it to hit the ground.
All right, come on, you ready?